We're starting our packing process for our trip to Europe. I have to clean up suitcases today. I was about to say I need to start lifting weights because, oh my god, these suitcases are heavy. No, they're just heavy suitcases. My suitcase, she's great. She's light. Oh my god, though. We have our laundry detergent that I like to use to wash our suitcases. How do you grab the hose? Where did I take one to? Where did I go? Doesn't tell me where I went. This suitcase is probably older than me. Look at this cucumber. It's like not good. It's orange. It's literally just like orange. And we're gonna hose her down. This is just my method. Leave me alone. Alright, next step, I like to just like, look at the soap go. Oh my god, she flew so far away. I just like to drop a little bit in each like pocket. My gosh, there are earring backs in. I don't even know what this other thing is. Anyways, who cares? And I like to throw some in the pockets as well. Because those need to get cleaned. Pocket. You have to just toss the rest onto that one because it's so old. Water them. That's my method for cleaning a suitcase. This water feels so nice. Some of the sheet is stuck, so let's scrub it a little bit. Getting whooped. Now what I like to do is stand them up. Motion sickness ban. One of the plastic bags I took out were moving and I thought it was an animal and scared the crap out of me. There's a hole in this suitcase. That's not too perfect. I just care about, making it smell a little nicer because it's been sitting in the basement for so long and I want my clothes to smell decent, We're pretty good on that part. Now I'm just gonna dump out any excess water and just let them dry in the sun. There's a spell jar in one of them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, they're upside down on the iPad. This was 19 minutes long. I just remember this. Let me show you my garden. Okay, so here we have, she's not doing too hot. She is just driving through. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna pick out the bad pieces. Yikes. She was doing so great, so I put her outside. I was like, maybe she would love to be in a bigger pot and in the sun. Yeah, well, I don't know if she really likes that. Fun fact, these thorns do not hurt. There's a wasp. Okay, so here we have hydrangeas and Dracula flowers. Look how beautiful those Dracula flowers are. They're gorgeous. We have cilantro down there, but it's now just coriander. There it is. Toss it in there. This is a Cortland apple tree. She is growing so well, I don't even take care of her. Same with my Macintosh apples. Oh, I love unripe Macintosh apples. They taste the best. Here we have my pink lemonade tree. She is growing! Ah! Excuse me, who are you? Get out of here. These are shampoo ginger. I left them in the bag after I bought them. I never planted them, and then I opened it up and saw that they were sprouting. I was like, oh, let's try planting them. And they are thriving. These are all just different flowers. Not sure what's what. We'll find out one day. We have chives. We have peppers. So many different tomatoes. This is on the right. This is our cucumber patch. We have a few really orange ones in there. These are my strawberries. There's a raspberry. I have some pink lemonade. We got pink lemonade blueberries. We have a regular blueberry plant. A Concord grape, but I don't think the Concord grape is growing. So yeah, that's my garden. She's so pretty. I love her. Oh, and my mint is under there somewhere. Hiding. I just want to see what this orange cucumber looks like on the inside. It looks and smells fine. It smells really good actually. I don't know if it's actually good to eat, so